Found yourself in a situation with a piece of splintered wood? There is an easy way to fix it, and I can show you the right way. I have this table leg where a piece has splintered off the end. And I know this is gonna seem obvious, but I'm gonna use wood glue to fix it. The first thing I have to do is prepare the splintered wood. See all these little fibers? They need to be pulled off. Otherwise, when I place the piece on the leg, it won't make a clean seam. I'm using a piece of 120 paper to lightly sand the interior of my broken chunk. Repeat this process for both sides of the break. Then, using wood glue, put on enough to cover the entire piece. Don't worry if it's too much, we'll wipe it off later. When you apply it, use pressure and make sure that it squeezes all the way out. Now just wipe it with a damp cloth. Use a piece of painter's tape as a clamp to hold the pressure all the way around the leg. And if a little more glue squeezes out, just wipe it off. Now after waiting a few hours, I can remove the tape. Now that I'm out of the woods, I'm good to use my table again because I fixed it the right way.